Welcome to this brief video about the Snow College Industrial Mechanics program. Are you looking to learn a new skill or improve upon your current abilities? Snow College offers technical education programs and training opportunities for individuals of all experience levels. This video will talk more about one of those programs. If you would like information about other programs, please contact Academic Advising. Snow College's industrial mechanics courses are taught by industry experts with a passion for sharing their knowledge and experience. These classes lead to Utah State certification and to a rewarding career. Industrial mechanics are in high demand. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, employment of industrial mechanics is projected to grow 13% from 2021 to 2031, faster than average for all occupations. Industrial mechanics can work in a variety of settings such as factory machinery, transportation equipment, agricultural equipment, and aerospace. The typical time of completion for the industrial mechanics course varies. You can earn a certificate of proficiency in one semester or pursue a certificate of completion in 1 year, while the Associate of Applied Science degree typically takes 2 years to complete. Industrial mechanics make an annual median salary of $53,000 per year. In this program, you'll not only receive valuable hands-on training, but you'll also have the chance to network with other professionals in your field. Our programs are designed to give you the skills and confidence you need to succeed in today's job market.